The man that was listed as a person of interest, Rushane Patterson, was taken into custody by the police as it relates to the case of social media influencer Slikianna has finally been charged. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV breaking news report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Rushane Patterson, the man who was named as a person of interest in the police probe into the death of popular social media influencer Slikianna, was charged a short while ago with unrelated offense stemming from other cases. The number of cases and full details surrounding those cases are not immediately available at the publication of this report. He has been formally charged for some offenses unrelated to the main one under investigation now by the police. This according to Area 1 Police Commander, Assistant Commissioner of Police, ACP Clifford Chambers. The offenses from previous cases include abduction with intent to rob. ACP Chambers said ongoing investigations have led police not to lay formal charges against Patterson in relation to the 1000 case. Investigators are still unboxing new evidence, which is the reason why he has not yet been charged in relation to the case of Slikianna. Patterson, who was also known as Chezzy and is from Prospect District in Hanover, was named as a person of interest on October 22nd after the body of 35-year-old social media influencer Slikianna was fished from the beach in Reading in St. James a day earlier. She was later positively identified by her family members. The businesswoman lived on Waterloo Road in St. Andrew. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.